So we've got a wee guest here. You didn't know my makeup before you haven't even properly applied it yet. So, hi guys, it's Brookelynne and it's Harley here. And welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I make videos twice a week, so on Tuesdays and Fridays. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for your kind love and support of my channel. And I'm really hoping you're enjoying the content. I know I'm talking like an annoying, really kitty voice, but it's because we've got wee Harley here. We've got a special guest. His name is Harley. Look at the camera. Look. What's that? That's you, pretty boy. Come on. Look. Who's that? Do you think, oh my goodness, what's going on? There's lights, there's everything, there's a wee iPad. Oh. What's wrong? That's you. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? Right. So it's gonna be a review, like a first impression review on the Nyx. It's like a Tame and Frame Brow Pomade. I've got it in the shade Espresso, and I've also got to review this sweet Ecotools. It's a double-ended eyebrow brush. I'll see what it says about it. Brow brush and wand. So basically it's pretty on an angled brush. So I'm going to test it out today on my eyes and try to flip and position myself properly because I'm all one angle here, like one-sided here, but yeah, so I'm going to just put this on my eyebrows. Now, I haven't tinted or like plucked my eyebrows in over 3 weeks, so they're a bit wary, or not wary, but unruly. They're not too bad, but they are like neat done, so don't judge me. And yeah, I think I need to get a bit restless, so we will come on. What's going on, Harley? Oh yeah, by the way, he stayed here. Hey, I have to do a video. I have to do a video. I know I can't just call you all day. I wish you could, son. I really do wish I could. He's trying to get this thing out. Wanna help me? Wanna help get this out? Yeah, what's that? I know I have like that annoying doggy voice to talk to the dogs with, don't I? Which Brookie like, now I have to do a video. He is attention seeking. Like a little boy, aren't you, son? Well, you are a little boy. Yeah, cool. Okay, okay. I'll take you outside. Come on. Come on. Come on, son. Okay, it's okay. I'll get you. It's okay. What's wrong? He has to get a video done. She really does. Come on. He has to get a video done. Okay, so the packaging, well, the brush looks like that. So the wee barrel part here is black, and it has like a mermaidy type unicorn duochrome, or whatever thing is it? It's like a chrome metal lilac-y blue purple, I don't know, like a blue to pink ombre, I would say. It's hard to really describe. Yeah, it's like an ombre, and it has like a blue and pink brush tip. It's really, really nice. You can see that. Then the brush is basically lilac, so it's very unicorny. I love it. I love this packaging. It isn't too big of a brush, but it isn't too small. It's handy enough to do like to hold in your hand and just to apply your brow product. I would say for this type of brush, I'm getting everything everywhere. This is perfect for pomades like this, or like powders or brow cakes, or just even just putting a bit of a brow pencil under your hands, or brow liquid, or whatever. Brow products is perfect for, but especially pomades and powders. So the outer packaging of the Nyx looks like that. It's really, really nice. They do have different shades. I think they have about 80 shades. 8 or more or less. I don't even really know. I know they have a dark one in this. This is Espresso, so it's like a nice dark brown. They have one which is black, self-explanatory. They have taupe, they have blonde, they have auburn, chocolate brunette, and I think they have something else, like a couple of other ones, like brownie ones. But yeah, they have dark brown, I don't even know. But it does come sealed, so that's a good sign no one's opened it. I got this from Boots. I think it was like £6, I would want to say. I'm not entirely sure. Probably about £6. I will try to put the price on the wee screen, but I'm guessing it was. I did buy a lip liner too with it, so the lip liner is about £3.50. And because I'm into these nude lips, and just thought I might as well get myself a lip liner. I was in Boots start of the week, it's Saturdays and Boots and Tuesday in town, so I just thought I might as well just get myself a wee lip liner and get that brow pomade, because I've been looking for this brow pomade, or like wanting to get it, not looking but wanting to get it and tempted to get it, but I just thought I might as well get it. This was actually on my list, my wish list for beauty, like early 2021 beauty wish list or makeup wish list. This was on it, so yeah, I got it. But one of the reasons why I got this is because I'm getting married this year and I want to get a good brow pomade. I want to have my brows lasting on my wedding day the whole day. I don't want any chance of any brows running down my face or something like that. So brow pomade's like the best bet, and see, trying to open this, got it. And yeah, brow pomades are like the best. The camera cut out, but I opened it up. It actually has a wee thing it sits on, like a box. Don't know what's underneath that. I doubt anything, like, but no. Just you see what it means, like it's like a random cardboard box. That's how deep it is, but like the box ends are, like, makes sense of that. I don't know. I think it's just to display it or something like that, or help you pick it out easily, but that's what it looks like. It just says Nyx Brow Tame Frame Brow Pomade and the shade Espresso, and then just tells you the info there. And yeah, got it there, that's it. And then the actual pomade is like that, so it's like a dark brown colour. It's absolutely perfect. I was tempted to get the black shade, like a darker one, and I wasn't sure what one would be better for my eyebrows, like this my hair colour, because I do have dyed dark hair, and yeah, excuse the breaky colour, but I do have dyed dark hair, and I wanted to get like a brow pomade that was dark enough but not too much, if that makes sense. But I don't mind having really dark eyebrows, don't really care. But yeah, so I'm just going to take the pomade on this brush and just test it out and stop yakking. So just a couple of taps like that and that. I am going to brush out my eyebrows with this spoolie first. Yeah, need trimmed and everything, so excuse that. Yeah, just gonna go for it. It's been so long since we've used a proper pomade. I loved the Revolution Freedom pomade back in the day, like, well, 5 years ago. I loved the Benefit one, the Benefit Cobra. I love that one. I had it in several shades, and just haven't used one of these. I've just been using like pencils, mainly powders, gels and stuff, like the brow gels you get. So far I'm not really, it's very like not really pigmented. Might be because I haven't been brushing in loads, but I'll try. I don't want to go too much just in case it just goes over everywhere, but I'm just trying to, yeah, I could get more pigment this way. I might end up with a bolder brow than what I normally have because they need done, but hey ho, you know, just flicking. I do prefer my eyebrows thinner, but with a bit of shape in them, like an arch, like a high arch. I do like that, but I find this brush is very easy to get, like the angle at all, like the shape of your eyebrows. It does, it's quite easy to maneuver, like it isn't too stiff but it isn't too flimsy. It's quite good at just getting your eyebrows on. That water, dishwater, or dishwasher, so rude, but it's not. I always have trouble with the ends, trying to get them crisp, because I've got just awkward shaped eyebrows, I really do. I was actually tempting to get them microbladed at some point, but I don't know. because I would love to have proper high arched, lovely, like thin, but not too like thin eyebrows, but like the nice shape to them, like a lovely arch. Like, love to have that. I can't do it with makeup, but just sometimes tips, just the ends can go a bit too thick and just doesn't mind happen. But hello. I'm just literally going through them and trying to fill these little slugs in. And then just for the, I'm sorry if you can't see what I'm doing, I'm trying to see what I'm doing myself. Just a bit more to work through. I always find like where I don't have much hair, like around the top parts is the hardest to fill in, just cause I like to try to manipulate the hairs just to give me more of that high arch look, so yeah. Okay. I am finding you have to build that one up to get pigment in your eyebrows, which is a bit of a, not too bad, but if you're in a rush it wouldn't really cut it, but it's decent enough once you build it up. Just going to move on to the other eyebrow. I will try to just brush out the top parts of the front of my eyebrows. Concentration. This eyebrow is just so furry looking. So, yeah. I am planning to do my eyebrows like properly buckling and tinting this weekend, so they'll be done. Probably tomorrow, because it's Saturday, so I'll do them tomorrow. So, yeah. It's a nice colour, I would say. The colour is quite cool tone, which I do like. It's not warm or orangey looking, it's nice, cool toned colour. So it's perfect for someone who has like dark hair with cool tones in it, and doesn't like a warm eyebrow, or who loves a cool eyebrow. It's nice for them. I prefer more of a cool tone for my eyebrow. Don't really like anything too warmy looking. I find if I go darker with my eyebrows, it's better for me, because if I go too light with my eyebrows, you can see the real brow through it. And then we do have like sparseness and patchiness, it shows. So it's better just to go that a bit darker, just to give more leeway to get the shape you want. So I'm going to need to fill that one in a little bit more. So far, I'm liking it. Okay, so a bit more just phlegm arches. do the wee hair strokes on. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so makeup is done, like the rest of it's done. Our hair has been brushed out, and I'm here to show you my final first impressions of the NYX Tame Frame Brow Pomade with the Ecotools, if I could find it. Dual ended brow brush and wand. These two are perfect for each other. They are nice. My eyebrows just look lovely today. I absolutely love them. And yeah, I absolutely just are lovely eyebrows. Like, they've made a lovely shape to my eyebrows, and they've just they're brilliant. I am going to continue to use them and just let you know how I get on with them, like throughout weeks and months, either in a favourites video or like an updated review or brow routine. I might film a brow routine. I don't think I've ever filmed like a brow routine on this channel before, so I might do one with this brow combo. But so far I love the colour. I think the colour is perfect. I might try the black one out as well. I don't know. I think I might, because I do like a proper dark eyebrow. I prefer that. This one is dark enough for me, but I might see what the darkest one's like. I know. But yeah, so far I love it. If you're looking for a nice eyebrow that's easy, eyebrow pomade that's easy enough to work with, I would say get this one because it's perfect for beginners, because it isn't too scarily pigmented. Yeah, it does have good pigment to it, but it isn't too much in one go. Like, it allows you to put a couple of taps onto your brush and apply it and build it up. It's not one of them ones that like go everywhere. This brush is like good for beginners too, because it is bendy enough where it can give you a good brow but not too flimsy where it's messing. And they do have different colours in this eyebrow pomade, like I said before. So if you're blonde, like you prefer like a very, very light blonde or like taupey colour, right up to like the very dark blacks, I would say it has a colour for you. There's a colour for you in this brow range. NYX also do brow pencils, which are quite good. I've tried the regular brow pencil. I haven't tried any, well no, tell a lie, I actually have tried the brow, the squirty gel, like the aqua brow thing. I've tried that. It's quite good, but a pain in the butt to get onto your hand, like squeeze a bit of the brow pomade or like the brow gel onto your hand and use a brush. Whereas I prefer like this one because it's in a pot and you just dab a brush in. I have tried the brow like wand, like the gel of the wand on it, if that makes sense. And I had that in the shade of black, which is quite dark, and I did like that. I actually love that one, so I think I will try the black one. But I do have a good range, like even more than what I've mentioned there, of brow products, so there's bound to be something for you, which is brilliant, and they're affordable too. This, as I said before, is definitely affordable because it's like £2 or £2.50, so it's perfect for like a good brush. Like, you're not going to break the bank buying this brush, so yeah. This is £6, this is like £2 or £2.50, so that's what, £8, £8.50 for this set, which is a steal, considering the Anastasia dip brow is like £16 on its own, and the brush is probably the same price, so be smart. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, hope I didn't ramble too much, and I'll see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous, bye.